ano na lang ang tapos yung extrajudicial killing. Then they come and say, alam mo Duterte, it's not actually just the addiction or the transaction, but it is a mental illness or an illness at a health issue. Correct. Kasi kagastos na. What is sinabi nila? Can you brief us on what? How? How did it happen? How did it evolve? Assuming it to be true. Sabi nila, social issue. So, if you are on your right mind, representing the European community or from the entity such as the Human Rights Commission of the United Nations, it's a social issue. So what are the social issues? One, poverty. Second, unemployment. Third, typical of a third world country. Barely, just barely making out to make a difference between what was yesterday and today. Ang corruption dito, 40% of the total barangays, about 9,000 policemen are in the state or are into it. Ngayon, are the laws sufficient? It's not. Sabi mo, you have the awesome powers of the presidency. But ang limit ko dyan is due process. There's, I have to charge you. There's got to be a hearing. And when he lost his case, he can go on appeal. And in court, it can take years. That's a reality. Huwag na lang tayo do not kid. We don't kid each other. Ang reality ng buhay natin dito. Wala pa namang nakulong talaga na sabihin mo ng demanda ng ombudsman. Yung kukunti lang yung mga mayors. Ang sakit pa dyan, yung mga treasurer na, when you are just the treasurer, pag sinabi ng mayor yan, he will sign. And I have seen friends, yung barong in tatters, why are you here? It's because I want your help. I have to go to Manila, or otherwise, if I do not appear tomorrow's hearing, there will be a warrant for my arrest. And I will be arrested, so tulungan mo ako. Since I was mayor, if it's even everybody from Mindanao, hindi nila tulungan. So tutulungan ko. Yung walang basta may perma ka lang dyan. Wala ka nang, degree. He wants it for all sa kanyang relatives or pamilya. Yan ang nangyari dyan sa corruption. And it's there present every day. Dito sa, even in the permit, you have to help me or you do it yourself, shoot the idiot. Dito pa lang sa permit, may end up how you can get it in 3 days. And that was, I'm not saying that dyan ako medyo na, that's why maybe been mayor since 1988 until presidency ko. I never lost an election. Di naman ako stricto, but I protect the men that women doing good, and I hit hard sa mga corruption, especially sa law enforcement. That I do not countenance abuse. Wala, never heard yung magbubog yung mga police, not in my city. Sila yung binubugbog ko. Sa totoo lang. Totoo lang. A typical example. I have to make it public kasi nasabi ko na yun. Itong undersecretary ng budget. He was there during the campaign. And yung karamihan ko pa, for that matter, let us make it general, pati yung, they were my friends serving me or serving the people with me since 1988. Nandyan siya pagka-president yan. Alukot, sabi na, tumakbo ka kasi grabe na ang sitwasyon siguro. And even this idiot, he was there, I saw him during the campaign. But, hindi ko pa talaga maintindihan pagka nandyan baski sa local election. Yun na siya gitulak because of corruption. Mabalitaan ko na lang, sadly, ang una kong it was in a cabinet meeting na, diyan si secretary. Sabi ko, putang ina ka. You're lying. He was lying to me. I fired him, sabi ko, get out of this room, you're fired. And to think na sila yun ang pupunta doon sa syudad ko, na pabalik ng pabalik, sige, tulak ng tulak. Ako naman sabi ko, wala akong pera. Sabi, hindi ako interesado dyan. I am beyond accolades and praises. I've had it if I complete my term. Kung hindi, ayaw ng Panginoon, hindi, sige. And what about 40 years elected positions? Hindi ko na kailangan yan, sabi ko. But you know how, I really do not know how things works in this universe. But I found myself, sila, Bebot was there, tumakbo ka na kasi, I'm not referring to Bebot, he's not corrupt. But corruption of women, baka. Totoo naman. Bula pa tayo niya. Let us unmask each other. The better for the Filipinos to know their... ako, separated. I have a second wife. Bebot, ganun rin. Totoo, kami halos, but it doesn't spell that we are... yun sila, tapos sila na mismo, yung, sabi ko, yung undersecretary. Hindi lang yung I'm having a dialogue with you. I'm not making a speech. Alam mo, kung sa, let me use the term, bastos, may mga babae, ang ini-SS nila, ang gobyerno mismo. Here is an office which needs an added funding. Nandiyan dyan sa GAA, every year budget, annual appropriations. But you know, the exigencies of the service would require something like you have to purchase this. Yung isang bureau, kulang. So, kailangan ng pera. Tingnan mo ito, ha? I mentioned din binitawan ko na. Sabi ko nga, one of these days, really, I'll strip you naked in public. Ang operator dito, si Cuevas. Hindi ko na lang but he was around during every administration. Siya na mismo punta, kailangan ka, okay. No, for example, 10 million. O, I'll give you 12. I will work it out dito sa isang opisina. Ibigay ko sa iyo yung 10, kailangan mo, yung 2 akin. Kita mo yung corruption, dito lang sa... Kaya mo sa totoo lang, tumindig talaga, nandiyan siya, sipain kung ka. Paski sa gobyerno. Kaya sabi ko, how do I... Alam ko naggalit ang Pilipino. But there are the things na hindi ko talaga kontrolado. Hindi ko alam hanggang walang pumiyak. Yung pumiyak, yung chief of office. Sabi niya, bakit ako papirmahin ng Kaya, if you are really desperate, pati ako, I'm having a hard time controlling corruption. Kaya kayo, pag nagbigay kayo, patay na. Sabi ko nga sa inyo noon, even a whisper or a suggestion, bukuin na ninyo kaagad. Tumindig ka, not because you want to support me, but sabihin mo, use the brutal language, putang ina ka, let's ka, negosyante ako, I'm trying to build, I'm trying to build something for the country. Me, I am not a policeman. Yung extrajudicial killing, ako, I'm building a country. I am not